Presenting ICICI Prudential Freedom SIP, the smart way to achieve your goals. The feature aims to create wealth over a long term through monthly SIP, and post-completion of SIP tenure switches the accumulated corpus to the target scheme and allows regular withdrawal through monthly systematic withdrawal plan, providing you with a secondary income. ICICI Prudential Freedom SIP is designed such that if you invest 10,000 rupees through monthly SIP for 8 years, you will get up to 10,000 rupees every month. If you invest for 10 years, you will get up to 15,000 rupees every month. If you invest for 12 years, you will get up to 20,000 rupees every month. And finally, if you invest for 15 years, you will get up to 30,000 rupees every month through the SWP or systematic withdrawal plan registered till the year 2099. To start investing in this feature, you need to follow 3 easy steps. Choose your SIP amount, choose your tenure, and choose your scheme from a list of eligible schemes. That's it. The plan also comes with SIP Plus option, a systematic investment solution which aims to create wealth and offers life cover. So what are you waiting for? Invest today and aim to get financial freedom with ICICI Prudential Freedom SIP. Call your financial advisor today. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.